Karibu na ndo mwanchu mwligere tuendele kwimanyia mange ase obotko bwa bono. Omugabana we county ya Kiambu Kimani WAMATANGI nigabekire ESEI yo gwanchirana ebajeti y'omwaka bwe 2025 na 2025 na kabere ye county ya Kiambu eyuerekerengo bilioni 25 enuguteyemo. Korengana na WAMATANGI nigaerere buna nige budget eyuera chikoba yenge nchomono iriko konya gwikirania magendero inse y'oburayi bwaye.
We have gone to heights once again that were not envisaged earlier. In all the other budgets proposed, there's no other government that proposed a budget that has now passed with actual programs that was now heading to the 30 billion Kenya shillings in this county government ever before. But now if you look at the budget that we have both agreed upon, based on programs, actual programs, we are now heading to the 30 billion mark. And that means that even if we were to knock off what we will call our expenditure on emoluments and other expenditures, development itself is finding a voice. Sure. Yes. And probably one of the things that will be challenging even the control of budget when they are doing their reports is not to summarize the capacity and the work output by county governments only based on the disbursements from national government. Because when they scale that down to that consideration, that's why you find that they will be reporting that the development budget of counties is conscripted to maybe 1 billion 800 million, because they are not considering the other expenditures and other resources that have come via other routes. With our budget, if you look at the execution of that budget, as it were, at no one time has this country sat to do what you'd call costing of functions. We normally work in an environment where it is you put your hand in the till to see what you have and look at the needs you have, and you try to splash to quell the fire. And that means to have the programs done. But there is no allocation of any revenue that happens anywhere in a county that's based on true expenditure. When you want to drive a mile, you ask yourself, how many liters of fuel will it take you to get to that destination? That is called costing. You know, yeah. When you want to purchase and sell at a profit, you say, I'll buy at 5 and sell at 7. 2 is called a profit. County governments cannot continue to function in this environment. Because if you ask somebody, what is the cost of rendering healthcare in Kiambu? Nobody knows. Even Treasury doesn't know. Even the Minister of Health does not know. So when they take 11 billion and send it to a county called Kiambu, that has a population of 3.5 million people, according to the World Health Organization.